What's up, everybody? Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're going to start outside here at the LATROBE store. We've got two Corvettes, but also a big, beautiful building behind the Corvettes. This is some extra space for us. It's 50 by 50. It's got a second floor loft that we're going to be doing some stuff with, so we can fit lots of cars in there. This is going to be our prep and ceramic coating building so that we can focus on just PPF and tint in the main building that you guys are all used to seeing. In front of the building is two Corvettes, two Z06s. One got a track pack for PPF and window tint. The other one is getting a full PPF wrap. I think a ceramic coating as well. Over there we've got an F-150. This is getting an annual inspection. There's an F-250 that got window tint. Next to a Ram RHO getting some PPF, and a BMW is getting a removal of some old tint and some new tint installed. Over here we are getting closer to removing the vinyl on the Gianelli's van. It is old, cracked, and very difficult to get off. Hopefully we'll have that done by the end of the week. And we have a Silverado that got some window tint. Up front, we've got Dr. M3's M4 CSL. This is in for just like a touch-up, some PPF little pieces here and there. He always likes to make sure his PPF is looking great. We love that. Then we have a GT3. This car's been here for a little while. It got a full PPF wrap, ceramic coating, and tint. And beside the Porsche BMW X5 that's getting a full wrap in PPF. Let's check out inside the shop. All right, inside we've got lots happening as well. Aaron is currently installing on a Raptor R. This is like the third or fourth Raptor R we've done in the last month or so. Full wrap, ceramic coating, window tint. This truck got the front bumper PPF'd and ceramic coating. I believe also the windows tinted. And on the lift we have an Acura Integra that got a track package and I believe tint as well. And another C8 Corvette got a track package, ceramic coating, and window tint. Next to a Denali that got ceramic coated. And in the wash bay, we've got a Super Duty that's here for a ceramic coating as well. And in the tint bay, we've got an Escalade. This is getting paint protection film on the front end and the rocker panels, as well as window tint all the way around. I believe the tint is done, and the PPF is hopefully going down between today and tomorrow. Let's check in with all the other shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a 67 Corvette. This is in for a full paint correction and some miscellaneous paint protection film. You can see underneath the front bumper, there are some painted areas we're gonna be doing some PPF on. Same thing on the back. We're doing the area just beneath the chrome rear bumper, so just the high contact areas. We're doing the full body paint correction on all of the painted areas along with the chrome. On the platform here is a vehicle from a local body shop. It's a dealership body shop. This vehicle has PPF on it. You can see it has a bit of a scratch there. Thanks to the paint protection film, the paint is safe. So all we have to do is take off the PPF on the front bumper and the front left flare and reapply new pieces. Next up behind the ropes here is a completed job. This trike got our trike package and our paint protection film. So everything on the front here, the fairing, the fender, these side pieces right down here, the front of the trike sides and the gas tank is all done. It's all set and ready for pickup. Next up, here's our Targa that we showed last week. We have the old paint protection film off and the paint underneath is in great condition. We're gonna be reapplying PPF to the entire vehicle on this. And then once that is done, Mark will get his hands on it for an 8-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Lexus RX. This got PPF on the entire front, wear and tear areas, and a luggage kit. Mark is now polishing out the entire vehicle. Once that is complete, he'll be doing an 8-year coating on the entire wheels, body, and glass. In the tint bay here, we got Andrew working on this Dodge Durango. We tinted the windows on this last week, and it's back in today for a full windshield tint. This is getting our Prime XR Plus 55%. Also in the tint bay is this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is in for window tint and a ceramic coating. Andrew's gonna be tinting the two front windows in 20% to match the factory tint, doing a 5% visor. Once that is done, Mark will get his hands on it to polish out the entire vehicle and do an 8-year ceramic coating. In the back here is another Targa from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This got a full front PPF package. It is all set and ready to hit the showroom floor at Swickley. Back in the prep bay is a 2024 Ford F-150. This vehicle's in for a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the lift, we have a brand new C8 Stingray. This is in for our track package. It's the entire full front and the lower foot of the vehicle, including behind the back wheels, is getting our 8mm paint protection film. Once these guys are done with the PPF, Mark will get his hands on it for a full paint correction and 8-year ceramic coating.